Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's creation. And this episode is a very special one because we gave Sangeeta a challenge of making an art out of a tree branch. Let's see how it looks.
Did you remember? In my last video, I showed you bird hanging, home decor. Today I'm going to show you how to do bird hanging, home decor step by step. Just follow the instructions and do let me know in comment below if you have any idea, thoughts, or if you know how to do something, just let me know. I will go ahead and answer you in my comment below. Take a cardboard as per to your size. I have used 3 shades of thread: red, green, yellow. Now I'm going to take red thread. For convenient rolling, I insert thread in this box. Okay, now wrap thread around on a cardboard. Don't make it too tight nor very loose. Continue wrapping around 40 to 50 times around the cardboard. Take scissors and cut off the end and then cut out from one side. We will repeat with the rest of 2 thread. Take one piece of thread from each and keep it aside. Take red and yellow thread and make a plus sign. Keep in the center. Fold this into half this way. Pull it. Be careful while doing so. Take a knot with this piece. I used yellow first. Cut the extra thread with scissors. Now repeat with red thread. Tie a knot and cut the extra thread with scissors. It will look like this. Now we will take the third thread. I use green. Now in the center tie a knot like this way. Cut the extra thread with scissors. For making body of a bird, take tissue paper and make a small ball this way to make a volume. Now you have to overlap this way. Make a plus sign. Take tissue ball, place it on top of it like this. Slightly adjust thread and overlap with red thread and try to adjust all over it. And now take both green thread, overlap as shown, and tie a knot with green thread. For more craft, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Shape the tail this way with scissors. Looking so cute. Now to make beak, I use a small orange paper to make cone this way and paste it with glue. Perfect. Now for making legs, I use the copper wire. You can use a normal wire. For more craft, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe for notifications. Make this as shown and fix this with glue. Glue eyes, or you can make an eye with sketch pen. You just saw the step-by-step instructions. Feel free to go just back into the video, stop and pause the video so you can follow things, every single steps to do the bird hanging home decor. It's almost done and I'm sure that Hector is going to love this. Right on time.
Yeah.
It's ready.
I remember
I was
this.
just shooting for you.
Oh, wow. It's really wonderful from where it started.
Liked it?
Love it.
It's for you.
Thank you so much. We have just seen how with a piece of imagination you can turn a tree branch into a home decoration. Okay guys, I hope that this video has been very helpful for you. If yes, please give a big thumbs up. If you have any comment, make sure you leave a comment on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And be sure to be on the hold for new videos coming from Sangeeta's Creation. Namaste.